Hello, in Sony's International. Today I'm going to talk about the standard operation procedure for the COVID-19 for in this company. This guidance outline the health and safety measure and the step to be taken by CMP in planning and managing the return its operation to full capacity in the adapting to the new normal to curb the spread of the COVID-19. In additional, SOP issued by MKN, Majlis Keselamatan Negara, and the various ministry. This guidance aims to cover minimum requirement and additional measure to guide CMP in the developing, communicating clear internal SOP and the health safe and the safety measure to minimize the risk of the COVID-19 at the workplace with the regard to its dealing with the employees, agent, workplace, external parties, and in the event of the any inconsistency between the guidance and the SOP from the applicable authority, the SOP and the directive from the applicable authority shall prevail. This guidance is not the intent to comprehensive and should be tailored is SOP respective business operation taking the consideration specification of the its internal process. Next, I will explain about the workplace of the general requirement. This social distancing or physical distancing is the key practice to reduce the risk of the COVID-19 infection and the pandemic as recommended by MOHO. Therefore, a CMP must put a place appropriate to measure and avoid close contact at the workplace to limit risk of exposure. There are company our company will provide the policies and procedures for this workplace requirement, which is a health screening and hygiene at the workplace. The next one is to increase the cleaning of the premise, always sanitize the place of workplace. Otherwise is share the workplace and the common area to ensure the arrangement workstation allow adequate social distancing between employees. Employees sitting arrangement should be at least 1 meter apart. And the entry and the exit of the office premise. Assign the doorkeeper or we use the automated door where the possible. And we also place the hand sanitizer near entry and the exit point to allow employees and the external parties to self-sanitize. Where possible, have to separate an entry and the exit point and mark out, spread the lane to exit the facility crowd control. The next one is the additional health safety management or non-exhaustive. Ensure the proper ventilation. We cleanly regulate the air conditioning system. Manage the limit and stop to use the communal or confined space such as pantries and the area of the poor ventilation. reduce the number of person reception or and the we security desk. For the next is business operation. Business hour we will take for the 9 a.m. until to the 4 p.m. for the timelines for working hours. And should take the following measure that relevance for the prevent the pandemic COVID-19 is always wear the protective gear including face mask and glove, and always maintain safe hygiene, avoid touching facial area, use sanitize and wash your hand with soap regularly. Maintain the one social distancing, which is a one distance from each other all the time in the office. mm, Disinfect or sanitize the counter surface or the button leaf. And the last one is the remove the material that cannot be easily cleaned, such as newspaper, magazine, brochure from the waiting hall. I think that's all from me. From the Sony International Berhad. Thank you.